Hello, this is my video on using a multishine.tech controller. This is sort of a guy on Reddit asked what's multishine.tech's controllers like, and I'm here to show you sort of good, the bad, what the controller's like. So this is the controller itself. I got wave dash notches and shield drop notches, as you can see here. As you cannot see, but I'll try to... These two buttons are trigger boosted. As you might be able to hear the difference between how much pressure you need. This one is much snappier than this one. So that's the cutting the string mod. It's useful if you have, like me, weak left hand and want to hit the button faster. I wave dash with the L button and I shield with the R button. So I found it useful to have one very weak button that I could always hit my hard L techs and my hard wave dash techs with as fast as possible. Whereas for non-digital presses, I liked the R button, leave the R button the same. But sort of the vast majority of mods are going to be these notches here. So you can tell we have 4 different notches along with 2 shield drop changes. So I'm going to go here, I'm on 20XX. I'm going to go to the debug menu. They have an extras. We have live analog controller inputs. So in live analog controller inputs, you can sort of see where here I'm player 1, and you can look at my analog inputs. So I'm going to go first off with the shield drop notches. So the first one is -7, is, as you can tell right there, 7,000, -7,000, 70,000, yeah, 0.7, and then this one, this shield drop notch is also exactly the same. So very consistent. They're very consistent with those. You will not have any problems with that. They're like very consistent and you can shield drop easily. I'll show later on how you can shield drop with them. Now, the wave dash notches, if you look, these two are supposed to be at 16 degrees away from the bottom. These two are also supposed to be equidistant. You may notice just by visualizing it that the right notch is much worse than the left notch, and I can show you exactly how much worse. So, we're going to look at the Y and X axis of our joystick. So this is the right notch. As you can tell, I got 7.725, 0.6750. Okay, now we're just going to go to the left notch. We got -0.92500, -0.35. Actually, it's 5. Sorry, that's just this user error right there. I don't have the most steady hand. Okay, there. That's actually what it is. Okay. That's the value. Now we're going to compare that to actual perfect wave dash angles. So in 20XX we also have the option of going here to training codes, color overlays, wave dash overlays, and we can see like what the actual perfect wave dash angles would be. So like as we change this value here, our 75,000, right, our value that we got for the So the value we got of 7.72, 0.675. We can sort of look at that and go, well, 0.72, that's that angle right there. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So 27 clicks below the perfect. I think that's quite bad. I think you could get to within 3 clicks is what I would consider to be perfect. To give you an idea, well, later you can take the cosine of this angle and take the cosine of that angle using simple trig functions, and you'll find that this angle is off by over 15% of perfection. By comparison, just the 45-degree angle notch you can get on a regular controller will give you, what the shield drop notches were, 7,000, 7,000. So we're barely better than that. I'm also going to show you just the angle I wave dash at personally, and I'm just some random mid-level player. So I wave dash at that angle. You can see that angle here. That's the angle I typically wave dash at. I just hit my controller and got the angle. There. Running a bunch of trials to make sure you can just sort of see the angles consistency. And I'm just some random mid-level player. And then the left side is also not that good. It's better than most mid-level players' controllers notches, but not be that much better. So I'm going to show you. It has 0.9875 and negative 1. Negative. There we go. See that 3500, 92500, and then we're going to go up to training codes, color overlays, wave dash overlays, and you can sort of tell where 92500 is, how many clicks off perfect it is. Okay, it's actually pretty good. It's 2 clicks off perfect. So this angle is good. The right notch was really bad. Thank you for watching. I understand this video was kind of long and a little rambly, but I'll also do a proof of concept test on the shield drop notches. This is going to be hard because I'm going to have to... Fox. Okay. I'm going to go to Battlefield, because I'm doing this with one hand. There's... Wait... Alright. I'm going to do a different proof of concept. I just realized there's a better way to do a proof of concept. Okay. So, I'm going to pause. Hold at the notch. Unpause. Alright. So you see it goes left, and then this is the right, that's the left. It works fine on the left and right. I'm just really bad at using one hand. Alright. So there you go. The shield drop notches work fine. I've never had a problem with either side. Although I tend to do better from the left because I just move faster on the left side of my hand. Thank you very much, and I hope this helped you, random Reddit user.